Wow, what are you working on?
I'm engineering. I learned to engineer solve all kinds of problems. I have a problem with a big bug that I need to move outside. So I'm designing something to catch the bug safely.
Cool. Can I engineer with you?
Yeah, we'll need to use the engineering design process. The steps engineers use to solve problems.
Oh, and you're here too. Why don't you try with us?
We're starting with the ask step. First, we need to ask questions to find out more about the problem.
In the ask step, engineers ask questions like, what is the problem? And how are we going to test our idea?
Or, what kinds of bugs are there?
Exactly. We are designing a bug catcher. So we are asking questions about bugs. If you are solving a different problem, you will have some different questions.
Yeah, what are you going to ask?
You can pause the video while you ask questions and decide how you're going to test your solution. We'll be right here when you get back.
Okay, what's next?
Next is the imagine step.
Oh, I'm great at imagining. Want to see me get creative?
Okay.
Did you see that? I came up with a totally new idea we could use to solve our problem.
Wow, I can't wait to see what else you come up with. Ready to brainstorm? You can ask yourself what are some solutions to the problem. In this step, we also look for different materials to use for our solution. We'll use things like this yogurt container.
Or this string from our junk drawer.
Press pause while you imagine a few different designs. Then go find materials you can use. We won't start without you.
Okay, next we need to make a plan for our design. Do you think we can draw what we're planning to make?
Absolutely. We draw, write, gather, and list our materials. We also talk to each other as we come up with our plan.
What's this called? I want to label it in my drawing.
Now you try. Pause now so you can make your plan.
Now we build!
We made it to create step.
I wonder if our design will work.
Well, we'll just see what happens when we follow the plan. Pause now to give yourself time to create your design.
That didn't work too well.
Well, we almost had it, but then the whole thing fell apart.
So now, we improve!
Right on! It's time to figure out what worked well, what didn't, and come up with a new solution. Pause now to think about how you can make your design better. We are really starting to think like engineers.
Now I get what the engineering design process is a circle. We're going back to the beginning.
We are going to start asking questions, imagining, planning, and creating all over again to make a better design. We hope you have fun using the engineering design process with us. Let's solve more problems together soon.